Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to lesson 2 of Alien Words. I hope you like this one. I've not actually taught this lesson before. I saw the idea on the internet and thought, oh my goodness, I love that. Why have I never done that before? So I hope you enjoy. For this one, you will need a pen and paper, so make sure you've got one of those. Have a go. Remember, you can be as silly as you want. I really don't mind with alien words. But first of all, we are going to do our alternative spelling words. These again are based on E again today, mainly because there are so many variations of the phoneme E. So join in with me in the video, or listen to the video and then do them yourself on the PowerPoint. See, bead, meat, steamy, repeat. These, Pete, Eve, Steve, happy, sunny, mummy, penny, sadly, heavy. So today what we're going to do is we're going to find the alien words in my sentences. I've written some sentences and there's one word in each sentence which shouldn't be there. It's an alien word. These get harder with each side, so if you're feeling, oh, this is too tricky, Mrs. Wilkinson, stop where you are. You might want to revisit, or you might want to do something different. You might want to try a tricky word PowerPoint, or maybe do something if you find this a roll and read, if you find this a little bit too tricky. But I'd like you to give it a go to start with. So my first sentence we will do together. Okay, so I've written the large cupcake was sweet and blind. The large cupcake was sweet and blind. Oh, which word, I wonder, might be the wrong word, might be an alien word. Have a think about it. Have a think. Right, so my thought was that the last word, blind, was our alien word. He shouldn't be there. How is a cupcake blind? That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. So I've rewritten the sentence with a word that does make sense. I've written, the large cupcake was sweet and sugary. I'd like you to write your own version of that sentence, taking out the word that you think is incorrect, that's the alien word, and writing your own word. Here is my next sentence. I was playing with the kai when my mum said it was tea time. I was playing with the kai when my mum said it was tea time. Oh, which word there does not make sense? The word that I thought was an alien word was kai. I was playing with the kai? What does that mean? I don't know, it must be an alien word. So I've rewritten the sentence here, changing the word kai, the alien word, to something that I think makes sense. I was playing with the Lego when my mum said it was tea time. I wonder if you can write your own version for me. She didn't like her Sade, so she had a cake. Sade? What's a Sade? If you thought that was the alien word, well done. Mrs. Wilkinson's version. She didn't like her pudding, so she had a cake. What would you write instead? Here's our next sentence. Can we say it together? The boy felt very poor lane, but still went to school. Which is the alien word? Did you say poor lane? Well done if you did. I don't know what poor lane is, but it certainly isn't a word that belongs in this sentence. So I've written out my own version. The boy felt very ill, but still went to school. What would you write? What would your version be? Next one. I have lots of egg in the classroom, said the teacher. What's the alien word? Can you figure it out? Did you say brag? Well done. I don't know what brag is, but it definitely doesn't belong in this sentence here. Here's my version. Mrs. Wilkinson's version. I have lots of lovely children in the classroom, said the teacher, which is very true. I would like to know your version. I can imagine I'm going to get some very funny ones of these. Well done for joining in today's lesson. Feel free to send me your sentences on your PDF. That's absolutely fine. Remember, if you're practicing your handwriting, try and write them out and then send me a photo on Seesaw. However you want to do it. If you just want to try and write out one, that's fine. No worries at all. Well done for doing the lesson today, and I'll speak to you all tomorrow.